Hello, my name is Juan Salazar and I'm the editor of Dataconomy.com. With me is Kim Nilsson, the CEO of Pivigo. Welcome, Kim.
Good morning.
I have a couple of questions for you that I prepared. The first one is, what did you present yesterday at Data Native?
I presented on how to become a data scientist. And this is something we're very passionate about at Pivigo specifically.
I wanted to ask you, what inspired you to give the presentation? What's the story behind Pivigo?
So Pivigo is really based on the passion that we wanted to help PhDs and graduates get into data science careers. Mm-hmm. And that in turn is based on my background. So I have a PhD in Astrophysics, and I know exactly how hard it can be to translate an academic career into an industry career. Mm-hmm. And also my co-founder Jason, he comes from a recruitment background. So we really felt that there has to be some way to make this easier, to take the pain away from graduates to do that, and that's what we built our business on.
Mm-hmm. How can young graduates and academics become successful data scientists? Which skills and training can help them realize their full potential, changing from, let's say, the natural sciences to a career in data science?
Well, so what most analytical graduates don't realize is that they're almost there. They have about 90% of the skills they need already. Mm-hmm. Typically programming skills, math, statistics, problem solving, all of those fantastic skills that companies are looking for. And the only thing they need to add on top of that is, obviously, they need to train their communication skills to be excellent, to be able to communicate technical concepts to non-technical audience. Mm-hmm. But perhaps the final piece of the puzzle is really commercial skills. So understanding how business works, understanding how data science fits into a business strategy, and how to work with commercial data sets and commercial tools. And that's often the little thing that the graduates are lacking, and that they can use some help with completing so that they can start their data science careers.
Okay, so is that what your program S2DS is based on? Is that what the skills that it provides to graduates and scientists?
Yes. Exactly. We started S2DS because, as I said, we wanted to take away that pain of trying to translate your career. Mm-hmm. And S2DS then was all about giving them that commercial experience that they needed to get started. So S2DS is a 5-week course where PhDs and MScs who want to become data scientists come on the program, work with companies for 5 weeks on real data science projects, mm-hmm. and that gives them that little bit of edge, that bit of experience that they can then use to get their first jobs in industry.
I see. So where would you like to take this program? How many people roughly have gone through it, and where would you consider, or would you imagine using it in unison with universities, with larger projects, or keeping it sort of small and tailored?
Possibly. So we've already taken over 300 people through the program over the past 3 years. So we've gone quite a far away already. Mm-hmm. What we also did last year was that we launched an online version of the program so that anywhere in the world, in principle, can join this program when it suits them. Of course, I'd love to bring the program to Germany or somewhere else in Europe, which is part of the reason why we're here, of course. Mm-hmm. And also, what we're launching later this year in Pivigo is a data science marketplace. Okay. So an opportunity for PhDs and graduates, but also freelancing data scientists to go on this platform, sign up, present themselves, and then join projects and work for companies and get paid for that opportunity as well.
Oh, that's
that will
brilliant.
be launching later this year.
Yeah. So it's for people who maybe are beyond the point where they can benefit from S2DS, let's say, but still need to find or looking for opportunities for new jobs or to develop a career.
My dream for the platform is that it becomes a viable alternative to full-time work. That as a freelancer you can come on there and do project after project, and it becomes your career. But of course, it's also still an opportunity for those who need that first bit of experience, mm-hmm. to join a team of mixed skills and mixed experience levels and work for a company and actually get paid for it.
Great. Now moving a little bit away from S2DS, how long have you been working, within data science? Do you think any application of data science in particular is going to take center stage in the near future, or do you have one that you personally would like to see be used more and more?
By the beginning of next year, I will have worked in this industry for almost 4 years. Okay. So I've seen quite some changes already. I've seen how companies are adopting it more and more, and data science as such is becoming a little bit more mainstream, which is great, absolutely great. I think for the future, we will still see a lot of marketing, applications, so understanding customers better, understanding what they want, etc. We'll see a lot of process optimization within manufacturing and Internet of Things. I think what I'm personally most excited about is personalized medicine and everything that can be done within healthcare. So the idea that your GP will call you up 3 months before your first cancer symptom and say, hey, you need to come in for a checkup because there might be something wrong with you. And that I think will be coming within the next 5 years or so. And that's very exciting.
Yeah, that's very exciting actually. It's coming so soon. Yeah, final question is, why did you decide to join Data Natives? Is there anything in particular that you're looking forward to the most?
We were very curious to find out what's happening in Germany. We have been UK focused so far, although our community of course is global. We've had 70 nationalities apply to S2DS, so it's a very international program. But we wanted to understand what the companies are doing here, what the startups are doing in Berlin. We know it's a hot spot and we're excited to learn more about that. And specifically what we're looking forward to is just meeting great people. And already yesterday we saw that the people coming up to our stand and chatting to us, very smart people, very driven, enthusiastic, motivated. That's great. That's what Berlin needs, that's what Germany needs, that's what Europe needs in terms of enthusiasm that will then grow into entrepreneurialism, possibly starting new companies and discovering new innovations. And that's very, very exciting to see.
Great. Thank you so much, Kim.
Thank you.